my name is Anna and I'm one of the Music Kids instructors here at Chinook School of Music. And I want to talk to you today about all of the instruments that we have available for you to purchase and play with at home. So to start off, we sell our classic egg shakers. These are a must-have for ages 6 months and on. We use them in our encore classes online and we use them in our on-site classes all the time. So you're going to need a set of egg shakers. We also sell these cluster bells, which again are great for babies and up, and we use these all the time. These come in a set of 1, and they're perfectly safe for chewing on and everything, so you're gonna wanna grab one of these. We also sell these fabulous scarves, and you might think that these don't qualify as a musical instrument, but they actually work really well in a lot of our musical activities. We use these all the time in most classes. They come in packs of 2 with lots of different colors, and again, great for all ages. Next up, we have our drums. And these are really great. We do so much with them. We explore storytelling, we explore different patterns and different textures and different ways to use our imagination with these. So again, these are great for ages 6 months and up. We use these for all of our classes. Next up, we have our xylophones, and these are great to pick up for ages 2 and up because we start, as you can see, we start to learn our notes. We start to learn the C major scale, and it's color coded, which is really great. So we use these in our big kid classes to learn how to read music, but we also use these for babies just to play around with sounds. They come with these mallets like this, and yeah, they make a really great sound. So honestly, you could purchase this for all ages as well, but we do use these most of all in our big kid classes to learn how to read music. Next up, last but not least, we have our amazing ukuleles. These are actually really wonderful ukuleles because they are durable. They're great for kids who might be handling them a little bit more roughly, but honestly, I use mine all the time. They really stand the test of time. They hold the tune really well and they make a great sound, and we have them in all sorts of fun colors. So this is a really great affordable way. Even if you have a kid over the age of 5 who's looking to start ukulele lessons, these are a really great option. But we give these to our babies to play around with. But these are especially great for the big kids. So highly recommend this, especially as a gift if you're looking for a birthday gift coming up. And there you have it. These are all the instruments we have available. They come in various different sets that you can find on our website, ChinookSchoolofMusic.com.